welcome once again to my 11 plus maths problem solving sessions. I have taken a sample paper from one of the schools and we will try to solve these. So the first question is, Granny takes one a day of each of the two types of tablet. One type of tablet is in packets of 25 and the other type is in packets of 20. She starts new packets of both on 1st March. On what date will she start new packets of both? Okay, so how do we go about doing this? So I've been working on this question, and the way to do it is, I think there could be several ways of solving a problem, and I'm sure you have a better method. So the way to do this, what I thought was, so I have put down the days, right? So after so many days, she will be taking the tablets. So and the pack of 20s and the pack of 25s. So because the pack of 20s is the least number of days after which she will be taking a new packet, so that's why I have put it in spurts of 20 instead of putting it as 25. So in the first 20 days we will have, she has taken 20 tablets. After that she will have to switch to a new packet, and for the pack of 25s also she will take 20 tablets because one tablet a day. Okay, so next is the next 20 days. What happens is, for the pack of 20s it continues to be 20, and for the pack of 25s, now she had taken 20 tablets before. There are still 5 tablets left in the old pack, so she will finish the 5 from the old pack and then take 15 from the new pack. So that's what I have written here, 15. Okay, so next again what happens is, for next 20 days then there's a pack of 20, again 20. Then what she's doing is, she will take 15 tablets are already taken, 10 tablets are remaining from the old pack, so she will be taking 10 from the old pack and 10 from the new pack, so making the total to 20. So then that's why I've put here 10. Again, for the next 20 days it's the same thing, only for the pack of 25s it's now gone down to 5 because she had taken 10, and so there were 15 from that pack she had to take. So we have 15 from the old pack plus 5 from the new pack, so I put down 5 here. And the last one, finally we get both the packets have been consumed, so there's 20, and then she had taken 5 the previous time for the from the previous pack, and now there are 20 remaining, so 20 will be taken in the next 20 days just as a pack of 20s. So now new packs need to be opened for both the tablets. So we have now got the number of days. What we will do is we will add up these days. So we add the total, and we get a total number of days is 100, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, or 5 20s. 5 times 20 is 100. Okay, so on the 101st day, okay, new packets are open for both. So what we have to do is, from this 1st of March we have to count on the day number 101, which date is it? Okay, so we will do it this way. So 1st of March is the day 1. Okay, it's day 1. I missed the day 1, it should be day 1. 31st of March is day 31. Okay, and 30th of April is day 31. So this we write down, it's day 1. Okay, so we're doing day 1, right? So yeah, so that's day 1. 31st of March is day 31, right? 30th of April will be 31 plus 30 days in April, so that will be day 61. 31st of May is day 61 plus 31, that's day 92. And now we have to see how many days are remaining. So if we do 101 days minus 92, that's 9. So 31st of May plus 9 days, we get 9th of June. So the answer is 9th of June. Okay, go through this question once again. Any problems, leave a comment. Next question is what is the product of the smallest 2-digit prime number and the largest 2-digit square number? Now how do we do this? So the smallest 2-digit prime number is 11, okay, and the largest 2-digit prime number is 81, because 9 times 9 2-digit square number, 2-digit square number is 81, because 9 times 9 is 81, 10 times 10 is 100, so that's not a 2-digit number. So we have to multiply 11 times 81 and we get 891 as our answer, right? Okay, next we go on to part B. What part B is telling us is 585 and 7227 are examples of palindromic numbers, as I read the same when the order of the digits is reversed. So you can read it from the left side or from the right side and it will be the same. Which 3-digit number is palindromic, has the sum of its digits equal to 7 and has a product of its digits equal to 12. Now remember, the sum of the digits is equal to 7, and because the sum of the digits is equal to 7, so the numbers can't be more than 7. So since the numbers are less than 7, so this is the only way we can do that, that is 2, 3, 2. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 7, and then if you multiply 2, 3 and 2, we get 12. So our answer is 232. Right? The next one, it says which 5-digit number is palindromic and has the sum of its digits equal to 27 and the product of its digits equal to 0. Now if you think about it, if the product is 0, then definitely out of the number, one of the digits will be 0, because when you multiply them you get a 0. So we have to find such number, 5-digit number. So we have to repeat digits here. The 5th digit and the 1st digit has to be the same, and the 2nd and the 4th digit has to be the same as well. So I've been looking, and what I think is the number. Now before I go to the number, there are 2 things I wrote down. I must mention this. That is, now one is I said the thing about the 0. The next is you have to see the digits are equal to 27. So you have to think about odd and even numbers, that if you add 2 odd numbers you get even, and if you add 2 even numbers you also get even. Only if you add an odd and an even you get odd, but in this case it might be hard to add an odd and an even number because it's a palindromic number, meaning the digits are the same. So if you have picked up an even number, you again have to pick an even number. There's no way you can pick an odd number. So that is a trick. So that is why the number I came up with is 90909. When you add these numbers you do get 27, and you multiply them you will get 0. So our answer is 90909. Okay, if you have thought a different number, please do leave a comment. Okay, next question is so there is a race going on between 3 boys. So Paddy is leading in a race. He is 81 meters in front of Sam, who is in the last place. Martin is between Paddy and Sam. Martin is 40 meters from the finish line and is twice as far away from Sam as he is from Paddy. How far has Sam left to run? So I think this is best explained through a diagram. So I did a diagram and it looks like this. So we have a finish line. I've done a finish line, and we have Paddy is leading the race, so he'll be there first. Then we have Martin and then Sam. Now they have said that the distance between Paddy and Sam is 81 meters, and also Martin is 40 meters from the finish line. So Martin and finish line, and there we have 40 meters. And then also Martin is twice as far away from Sam as he is from Paddy. So he is twice as far away from Sam. That's why I've put in as 2x, assuming that the distance between Paddy and Martin is x. So if the distance between Paddy and Martin is x, the distance between Martin and Sam is going to be 2x. And so we put it in an equation, that is x plus 2x is 81. So solving for x, we get 27. So Sam has to run. The distance is 2x plus 40. So 2 times 27 plus 40, and that gives me 94 meter. So that is my answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. So I have this one. So Mr. Patel and his sons Hamza and Kian have the same birthday. So today Mr. Patel is 34, Hamza is 6, and Kian is 3. How old will they be when Mr. Patel's age is the sum of his sons' ages? Right, so what I did here is I have made an assumption that after x years Mr. Patel's age will be the sum of his sons' ages, right? So after x years the age will be the sum, right? So after x years, what will be Mr. Patel's age? Mr. Patel is now 34, so after x years his age will be 34 plus x, and his son's ages will also increase by x, so it will be 6 plus x and 3 plus x, right? So we form an equation saying that the dad's age equals to the sum of the son's ages. So 34 plus x equals 6 plus x plus 3 plus x, and we solve for x and we get 25. So after 25 years, Mr. Patel's age is going to be 59 years, and the son's age is going to be 31 years, and the younger son's age is going to be 28 years. We are adding 25 to their current ages. Okay, so that is what is the question, I believe. How old will they be? Yeah, so we are asking for a future age. So yes, that is the way to do it. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Now this, what I have done is I've tried to draw this is a diagram they have given us, so it's a cube, and what we have to do is to find if the patterns they have given us, if you can make a cube, which one of the 6 cubes shown below could not be made from this net. So the way I have looked at it is I have looked at the patterns, and if they can be joined, as in the main figure, like if they are linked to one another, then the cube is possible, okay, from the main figure. Otherwise it's not possible. So how will that work? I have drawn up these cubes. I was trying to open them up. So this is the A, so this is A, this is this one, right? So we have this blank, a square, and then this and this. So this, you see, is coming from blank. We have blank, we have this, and we have this. So they are linked, right? And then we have B, which is blank and down, and this, so that's linked. Okay, okay, and then we have C, which is 2 lines, so which is these two and this, then which is D, which is I thought D was a bit different from the rest because D has this line. Okay, if you turn it upside, then we have this line. So this and this, and then you had this. So I thought D was a bit different. Okay, I was thinking that D is a bit different from the others because it's not linked. I cannot make the link because I can make the link between this, the one with the line in between, and this at a distance. So I couldn't join them up. So I think D is the one that's different. So if you have any other answer, you think this is incorrect, do leave a comment. But that is my logic I followed to get to the answer. Is that okay? I think it's clear. Now the next question, what they are saying is the B part. A double-decker bus has just 10 seats. There are 5 seats in a line upstairs and 5 downstairs. So there are only 5 seats in the bus, okay? Now there are several children sitting in the bus, or several people sitting in the bus. So Daniel is sitting directly below Kim and in front of 8 people. So if he's sitting in front of 8 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Daniel will be here, directly below Kim. So this is Daniel, this is Kim. Kim is on the top. Pranav is sitting right at the back, directly above Noor. So that will be Pranav, the last person to sit. So that is how I worked out my logic. So you can see that this is Daniel. He is here. Then Kim, below Kim, and then Pranav is sitting right at the back above Noor, and then we have Lucy is directly in front of George. So Lucy, they don't say who is in front of Lucy, but they say who's behind Lucy. Lucy is in front of George and directly above Revan. So there's Lucy and Revan. Then we have Chen is just behind Joe. So Chen is behind Joe. So he has to be here and directly below Becky. So Chen has to take this place. He is below Becky and behind you. So that's, I've put in the people sitting in this way. So who is directly behind Kim? That is Lucy. Okay, this is the person who's in front of Noor. It is Chen. Right, so that's how I've gone about doing this. If you have any different answer, please leave a comment. Next question, I have there's a lottery prize of £5,555, £5,555 was shared equally between a number of people so that each person received a whole number of pounds. There are between 20 and 100 people. How many people shared the prize? So we have to find a number that we can divide this 5555 by, and that number has to be between 20 and 100. Now since it is all 5s, of course it is divisible by 5, but 5 is not between 20 and 100, so we have to ignore 5. We have to look for other numbers. So the other one, very obvious, is 55. So it is divisible by 55, which is between 20 and 100, and 55, when you divide by 55 you get 101. So what you get is how many people shared the prize. So 55 people shared the prize, and the money is 101 pounds each. Okay, the next one is, the question says there are 3 boxes A, B and C containing red or yellow balls or both. Each box contains the same number of balls. Box A contains all 12 of the red balls and 1/9 of the yellow balls. How many yellow balls are there altogether? So how do we go about doing this? So we have the box A has 12 red balls, so we will try and form an equation and then we will solve it. Okay, that's the easiest way to go about with these kind of problems. So we will assume that the number of yellow balls is y. The number of balls in box A we see is 12 red balls, so it's 12, and 1/9 of yellow balls, so I said it's y out of 9, 1/9. So the remaining yellow balls I found out is y minus y out of 9, which is 8y by 9. Why I did remaining is because I have to find out how many balls are there in boxes B and C, and they have said that the number of balls in box B and the number of balls in box C are equal, and also they are also equal to the number in box A. They have the same number of balls. So the balls in box B equals C equals 8y by 9. I have divided it by 2 to get 4y by 9. Okay, 8y by 18, that is 4y by 9. I have simplified it to 4y by 9. And next I have to do the equation. So I have used the one in box A, 12 plus y by 9 equals 4y by 9, and then I have solved for y to get 36. Is that right? If you want to go through any question, if I'm going too fast, please feel free to pause the video and go through the question. Okay, so y is 36. That means the number of yellow balls are 36 altogether. There are 36 balls. How many balls are there in each box? Of course it is 4y out of 9, so that's 4 times 36 divided by 9 is 16. So that does it. The next question is the total of the numbers in the 5 boxes is 222, and the sum of the numbers in any 3 adjacent boxes is always the same. Fill in the numbers in the 3 empty boxes. Right, so how do I go about doing this? I've assumed that the 3 numbers are A, B and C, and I've made my equations, which I always do because it's easier to solve when you form an equation. At least that's the way I do it. So A plus 65 plus B plus 40 plus C is 222. So A plus B plus C is 117. Since numbers in any 3 adjacent boxes are the same, right? So we will use an equation. So sum of the numbers here equals sum of the numbers here equals sum of the numbers here. Okay, so they are the same. So A plus 65 plus B equals 65 plus B plus 40. So using that we get A is 40. So this A is 40. We reuse it in an equation again. So 40 plus 65 plus B, instead of saying A plus 65 plus B, I use 40 plus 65 plus B, and that equals B plus 40 plus C. So solving, I get C equals 65 because the 40 and 40 cancel out, B go away, C is 65. So using the value of A and C in equation 1, I get B is 12. So that's my answer. A is 40, B is 12, and C is 65. The next question, very interesting question. In the addition sum below, the different shapes represent different digits. What digit does each shape represent? Right, how do I go about doing this? Now, there are a couple of things in this question. Please note that these are 1-digit numbers. The pentagon is a 1-digit number. You have only one pentagon. There are 2 stars. That's a 2-digit number. And there are 3 triangles. So you're adding 2 1-digit numbers plus 1 2-digit number to get a 3-digit number. So this is the dynamic. So now we have to think accordingly. We have to be a bit clever here. So note that, okay, so I've made that note there. So the 2-digit number, the digits are repeated. So they can be 99, 88, 77, But can it be 77? Can it go down that much? See, it cannot be 77 because the highest one-digit number you could add to 77 is 9. Is 9 and 9, or 77 plus 9 plus 9 is 95, which makes it a two-digit number. So it's not going to work. So it has to be 88. If it is 88, does it work? Let us see. 88 plus, if the pentagon was 9, 9 plus 9 plus 88 is 106, which is incorrect. If it was 8, 8 plus 8 plus 88 is 104, again incorrect. So I tried with 99. If I add 7 plus 99, I get 113, which is incorrect. Now, but if I do 6, there I go. 6 plus 99 is 111. So that is correct because all the three digits are the same. So the pentagon is 6, one-digit number, the star is 9, and the triangles are 1. Okay, so this answers the question. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you find these videos useful. Thank you very much.